This is a production of Growing Up Hebrew.
Written, illustrated, and produced by
Auntie Karen.
and Cousin Naomi.
Ebony was sleeping soundly in her bed when suddenly a loud clap of thunder woke her up. She looked outside, and instead of darkness, she saw a bright flash of lightning. Ebony was terrified. Thunderstorms always made her worry. She didn't know why they made her worry so much, but she couldn't get over it, no matter how hard she had tried. Another clap of thunder frightened Ebony, and it made her shriek. Her father woke up from the sound of the storm and his startled daughter. He stumbled through the house in the dark to his daughter's room.
"What's the matter?"
Ebony's father asked her.
This storm is scaring me.
Ebony answered.
I always get scared.
"Remember what we told you about Yah always being with you?"
Ebony's father asked.
It's pretty hard for me to understand.
Ebony answered.
"I'll try to explain it better for you. I'll be right back."
He went to get his scriptures. When he came back, he turned on his daughter's lamplight.
"Let's read a verse from the book of Psalms together."
He said. He positioned himself on his daughter's bed so that she could read the verse with her own eyes as well. Then he flipped the pages of the good book and read Psalms chapter 27, verse 1.
"Yah is my light and my salvation.
He read aloud.
So why should I be afraid? Yah is my fortress, protecting me from danger. So why should I tremble?"
Ooh, I get it.
Ebony said.
So, when it's dark outside, or when there's a storm, I shouldn't be afraid?
Yes,
Ebony's father said.
that's right. Actually, you shouldn't be afraid of anything if you are in Yah.
Okay, Dad. Now I understand.
Ebony said. Her father kissed her goodnight, and after he left, Ebony felt much better. She even smiled when she saw lightning.
You are so awesome, Yah.
Ebony whispered.
Good night.
Then she went back to bed and slept soundly. Check out our resource links for more information.
Until next time,
Like
share,
and subscribe.